Hello guys, welcome to A to Z Guru. This is Vikash. Today I will continue Jquery tutorial. This is part 2. Jquery get started. In this video, I'll cover how you will include Jquery library on your web page. So I written few points over here like adding Jquery to your website. There are several ways. There is Jquery website. From there you will download and you will include in your page like if you know JavaScript already, you know that, so how you are including external JavaScript in your website. So like that you have to include, means whenever you will download that link, whenever you will download that file, some name will come, default name like jquery dot min something that will come. I'll show you. So you need to include that. And another way you can include that one by cdn also. So cdn excuse me, cdn provided by Google and Microsoft, other site also. You need to include that one under script tag. So suppose here I downloaded one file. How I will download? I'll show you. See, if in description I'll give that website link. This is official website of jQuery. So just you'll click that link from description box. You'll get this page. So here different versions are there. Whenever like you'll click this link, you'll get this page. So control S, if you will click, then see it's a save option. So you can download same name or you can rename also. So if you'll save, already I have, so no need. You will get that page. Whenever you will get that page, include in same location. If suppose you made a one folder, so that folder name you need to give, like JS I have one folder. Inside that folder I included or I placed that file over there. So that's why I gave JS, that is the folder, and slash jQuery, that name. Uh, I actually rename it, so that's why I gave name. So that depend on you how you are giving the name of that library. So basically you can include like that. And there is another way also, CDN. By CDN also you can include that. We have CDN, CDN provided by Google, Microsoft host and other also. So we have CDN jQuery. Well, this provided by Google and this provided by Microsoft. Anyone you can use, not issue. So like if you will use that CDN. So here I am using Google CDN. So it will like that. That's my personal suggestion. You should use that CDN or whatever library you downloaded inside the head tag, and it should be script tag. Here no need to write type JavaScript because since we are using HTML5, so no need. So why we should include inside the head? Because so many functions are there, or we need to include in our website. So if you will include that function, uh, that that will import that means from library it will fetch. So due to that, you should include that CDN or downloaded file inside the head. So I hope guys you cleared with how you should include jQuery library inside your web page, and how you should that CDN include inside your website. So thanks guys, watch this video. If you have any doubt, please write in comment section, and any query, any question, any suggestion, whatever thing you wanna share with me, just write in comment section, and please like this video and subscribe my channel, because since already I started a jQuery tutorial, then that will helpful for you. You'll get notification over there, and share this video. Thanks guys.